This video will cover the admin ability to add Datasphere models to Just Ask. So from the Just Ask page, there are two locations you can do this. One is the Indexed Acquired Models drop-down menu, and the other is by opening the Manage Models page. So first we'll take a look at the Indexed Acquired Models drop-down. And we scroll down to Add Another Model to Search. And from here, we will click Datasphere and then navigate to our model. And to select the model, be sure to click the icon next to the name. So we have a reminder here that when we select the model from this menu, it's only available during the current session and will not be added to the other list of models. So we'll click OK for now. But to add this permanently and not just for the current session, we'll want to open the Manage Models page. Once in here, click the Add Model. And then we will navigate the same way as before. And select a model. So from this menu, again, the model is not just on the current session page. This will be added to the list permanently.